All right, got a little unboxing video for you guys. This are taillights from Blue Steel Customs. These things are really, really nice. Made out of Billet T6 6061 aluminum. They have a threaded bezel, LED taillight or LED lights for the taillights. They have red or amber lenses that you can buy. They're really, really nice. They have taillights and marker lights. They even have bead roll taillights or the bed roll taillights. They wire up to the factory wires, mount in sort of the factory location. You just want to drill a new hole for it, bolt these in. They have a rubber ring to protect the inside of them. Really cool, really clean. Blue Steel Customs. You guys got to check these things out. Put them on your next truck. We're going to put them on Project Raven. We're going to install them. We'll show you how they look when they're done. We have a feature in our next issue that's got these in them also, so stay tuned.